Good morning, dear children. In today's video, we will learn about all planets. You know that there are 8 planets in our solar system, and Sun is the head of the solar system. So, watch the video carefully. Planets. The word planet is derived from the Greek word planete, meaning wanderer. A planet is that heavenly body which moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit or in an oval path, and at the same time rotates on its own axis. It looks like a star, but it has no heat and light of its own. It shines merely by reflecting the light of the sun. The simplest method of identifying planets from stars is that stars twinkle, whereas planets do not. All planets are spherical in shape, but their composition and size is different. In order of distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Buddha. It is closest to Sun and takes 88 days to go round the Sun on its orbit. Life is not possible on this planet as there is no water and atmosphere around this planet. Venus, Shukra. It is the second planet from the Sun and closest to the Earth. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. Its size is almost the same as that of Earth. Earth, Prithvi. It is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet to have life on it. It revolves around the Sun and also rotates on its axis, which causes day and night. Mars, Mangal. It is red in color and hence called red planet. It has a large amount of water as ice in the form of polar caps. It is believed that there is some possibility of plant life on this planet. Jupiter, Brihaspati. This is the largest planet of the solar system. It is so large that around 1300 Earths can be placed inside it. Its surface is cold and is made up of several gases like hydrogen, helium, and methane. Saturn, Shani. It is a unique planet because it has 3 beautiful rings around it, possibly made up of ice. It has very low temperature. It is least dense among all the planets. Uranus. It appears green on being viewed through a telescope and hence also called green planet. It is very far away from Sun and there is no possibility of life on it. Neptune. It is slightly smaller than Uranus, but is a lifeless cold desert. It is the farthest from Sun at a distance of about 4,469 million kilometers from the Sun. Planets and their motion. All planets exhibit two types of motion: revolution and rotation. First is revolution. According to the heliocentric theory, all the planets revolve around the Sun in the same direction. However, the period of revolution is different for each planet. Each planet moves around the Sun in an elliptical path called orbit. Since Mercury is closest to Sun, it has the shortest orbit. The gravitational pull of the Sun keeps the planets orbiting in a fixed path. Earth completes its one revolution in 365 days, which we considered as equal to 1 year. Our 1 year is of 365 days. Rotation. Each planet also rotates or spins about its axis. The Earth's axis is the imaginary line joining the North Pole and South Pole. through the center of the earth. Except for Uranus and Venus, all other planets rotate from west to east. Uranus and Venus rotate from east to west. The Earth completes a rotation in about 23 hours and 56 minutes, which is equal to 1 day on Earth.